When I was a kid, I started a landscaping company. I mean, it was really just myself, a rake, and a lawnmower.
And lately I've been itching to get back out there and put in some work with my hands. There's just two problems.
I don't think the paper flyers that I illegally stuck in people's mailboxes are gonna cut it for marketing these days.
And two, spring has already sprung and I don't even have a logo yet.
Every second that I spend sitting here trying to design something from scratch, other companies are out there mowing all of my lawns. I also don't have the time or budget to hire a graphic designer to do the logo either, which makes me wonder. I just made an entire movie with AI, and I wonder if I can use the same sort of trick with an AI tool to get my business up and running. To get this done, I'm going to design.com. They're sponsoring this video, and they are an AI-powered design tool that's gonna help me create logos, business cards, social posts, and even a website in seconds. Oh, and guys, we're gonna need it. I just checked the weather report, and it's supposed to start raining tonight and then just go all week, which means that if I don't get this logo done today before like lunchtime, all of this is gonna be for nothing. So now I have to get this entire brand built in the next 5 minutes. Okay, design.com. Right on the front page, I'll say I want a logo for my business. It's Martin Leaf and Lawn, a landscaping business based in Ohio. Now let's see what the AI can come up with. Dang, that's a lot of options. There's all sorts of different ways to go with this, different styles, but I think that I like this one the best. It's just kind of really popping out for me. Now that we've got the base logo, I think it looks good, but it's just missing a bit of color. So I want to add a sun element to it somewhere. Let's open up the AI designer and ask for a sun element to be added to the design. Wow, that's actually better than I imagined it would be. I can also change the layout of the entire logo design with these presets that move the text and design around, which is cool because I might want this version on like a hat or something, or the horizontal version maybe on the side of a truck. For now, let's stick with this vertical one. I mean, this is almost perfect, but I just don't like the color of the sun. It's a bit too orange for me. Let's click on the logo and then we can find the orange color. Maybe we change it to yellow. That's a bit too light. Ooh, what about a gradient? Heck yeah, that looks sick. All of this has been done totally for free, by the way. You can experiment with the logos and like find ones that you like without paying a cent. But now I've got a logo that I do like, so I'm gonna pay for that, lock it in, and now we're rolling. The next step for any business is a website, and design.com has an AI website builder built in too. There's a ton of AI-powered templates to choose from here that it's recommended for me. Let's go with this one. I mean, right out of the gate, it already looks great. We've got a booking button, the service description, and even a spot for client testimonials. But I can also totally personalize this thing. So if I want to change this image to a video of a weed whacker doing some work, I can just pull that video from their stock library and boom. Like, that looks perfect. Let's do the same thing for the top banner. I'll search up some landscape videos. Let's try this one out. I actually really like this video, but the logo is just getting lost a bit up here at the top. So let's change out the video behind it. Now we'll move up this text block here and boom, the website is done. Now I can get a free domain from the website or I can link my own. We'll just go for free right now and we can publish it. Next up, business cards. The AI has given us a ton of different choices. This one down here is my favorite because I think the triangle points kind of look like grass. Now I can just input my name and input my email and then flip the card over. And on this side, I'm gonna delete these designs and move this logo over because I wanna add a QR code. Design.com actually has a built-in QR code generator, so I don't have to go to like 3 different places to get a good QR code. I can just paste my link right here in the site, and just like that, I've got a working QR code on the back of my business card. I've designed business cards on my own with Photoshop and using other sites before, and let me tell you, this is way easier. And of course, the fonts can all be adjusted however you like. Same goes for the colors and all the other design elements. This is just completely personalizable, customizable. I didn't want to say customizable because then that's repeating myself, but that's the word. I don't want to stop at business cards though. While I'm here, let's design a flyer like the old days. I like this one, then we can change this image and we can add a QR code to this as well. So that's set to go, but we also want to be on social media too, right? I mean, it is 2026. So instead of spending hours designing all of my own social posts, I'll have AI do it for me. Check these out. Totally plug and play with my logo. We can even create a Facebook ad or a vertical video for Instagram or TikTok. And the people who see these things online are gonna need a place that they can click through and check out what our business has to offer. So let's design a link in bio site here too. I mean, the completeness of design.com is crazy. I can even order t-shirts with my logo here. I'll probably have to wait on that though because lunch is over and it's still, whoa, really sunny, which means plenty of time to go get a mow-in. Overall, my experience with design.com was super smooth. I love that you can play around with it and create logos and see if you can find one that you like before actually committing to making a purchase. And obviously this landscaping company is just one example of any number of businesses that you could use design.com for. I mean, we're talking coffee shops, ice cream parlors, apps, barbers, arts, or like photography. I mean, you name it. This is hands down the smoothest way to create a custom logo and all the supporting business assets that I've ever tried. I've got a link down below if you're interested in trying it out for yourself. And if you're curious about that AI film I was talking about at the beginning of this video, you should watch this one right up over here.